how to fix games keep crashing on Windows 11. So if you want to fix the games keep crashing on Windows 11, then what you need to do is just simply go with your Windows, right click on your Windows, and then here you will have an option of command. But if you don't have that CMD, then what you need to do is simply go with the search, and here you will have the command prompt, right? So you just need to simply go with run as administrator, click on yes. Once you click on yes, now here you need to enter a command. So just simply enter sfc space / scan now and hit the enter, and it will scan the whole computer, and if there is any bug, the computer will fix one. And once the verification has been completed to 100%, then you just need to simply remove it, and then you need to restart your computer. And then the second step you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings. Under your settings, you need to go with the system option. Under system, you need to scroll down and go with power and battery, and you need to go with the power mode option. Click on power mode, and under power mode here on the right side you will have best performance, right? So you just need to simply choose the best performance. If you have other options, then you need to simply choose the best performance. Once you choose, you just need to simply go back, right click on the start icon, and then go with run, and here you need to enter sysdm.cpl and then go with OK, and you will get this kind of interface where you just need to simply go with the advanced option. Under advanced, here you will have settings, right? So you just need to simply go with settings, and here you need to go with adjust for best performance option, and then go with apply, and then go with OK. Once you've done that, you need to restart your computer and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix games keeps crashing on Windows 11 problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.